back to Hansen Racing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a second gen F-body drift a little better. So, not only can you install a hydraulic handbrake like this, but you can also do one other really crucial thing. So after pulling the handbrake, the cars of course want to oversteer and get out with the booty, you know. You already know. You want the wheels to be able to turn more. And how do you do that? Well, you need some clearance on the second F-body as there's not that much room before you hit the frame. So, as I just told you guys, the control arms are definitely an upgrade you need to do. The SPC adjustable control arms are definitely a really good improvement, so you can also adjust your camber and caster way easier. So of course you also have to extend your lower A-arm, and no company sells adjustable A-arms right now. So what we have here is an extended lower A-arm for the second gen F-body. The ball joint is smoothed out 2 inches, so you have way more room for your wheel to turn around. So before installing these bad boys, we're gonna get some paint first. So the next item we have right here is pretty important too. So basically what we have here are extended tie rod sleeves. They're extended 2 inches as well as the control arms. We're spacing out our tie rods because our control arms are now wider and the whole stance of the car is wider. Equal, we also need wider steering parts. And in this case, we just widen the adjustable sleeve as that's the easiest piece to cut over and put in the tube and weld. So we just got the rear differential all painted and we're ready to throw on some new U-bolts, lowering blocks, everything, the leaf strings back on, and we're gonna get right into the chassis on the car. And we also got a new pinion seal, a cover seal, we got diff welded, everything is ready to go sideways, so let's do this. So thank you for watching today's video. My SD card have been acting weird lately, so I lost a bit of footage for today's video, but next video should be pretty interesting too, as we have the first startup of the Firebird, and the next video after that is gonna be even more special as we are moving some stuff around. We are moving shops, garage, vehicles, a lot of stuff happening. So hopefully my camera is not gonna act up there too. But thank you for watching again.